So one of our members is working on reconciliation with his wife, and she's had many, many affairs in the past, total and complete crash and burn breakdown of the old, and they're actually building something beautiful. And when you're doing that, there is this much room for error. I mean, when you make these new rules, you need to stick with them. And what had happened was someone had resurfaced from the past, and she waited to tell him because they were going through something else. And the rule was you say it immediately, and she didn't. Now I understand why she didn't. And but the point of it is, whatever that rule is, you need to honor it. Trust has been completely and totally shattered. It is so fragile that any breach of that, any shift in that is going to cause such anxiety and can re-traumatize the person who's been hurt. You have to be so sure, if you're the betrayer, that you honor those new rules. And even if you have every kind of excuse and reason, and it makes such total and complete sense in your mind, and I get why she chose that decision, it doesn't matter. If there's a rule, you need to honor it. And in her case, if she were to redo it, if they were to redo it, it would have been, I would have chosen something like this. Hey, this happened. I know it's a really bad time and we're going through so much, but I want to honor our agreement. Let's talk about it when things calm down. So you see what happened right there? They're honoring the agreement they made with each other and also acknowledging, hey, it's not a good time. And that's what builds trust. Trust is so fragile. And if, when you picture it, it's like this brick wall just shattered in a million, the bricks are all over the ground. Each opportunity to show that you're trustworthy is one brick in that brick wall. So that would have been one brick in that brick wall. And when you are rebuilding that brick wall, you can't take any bricks out. It's only about putting them back in. So if you're on either side of this, just know that those rules need to be honored. And if you're still being affected by it, well, you're human, and it's going to get better with time, and it'll be less emotionally charged with time, but you are rebuilding something entirely new based on a new level of awareness, a new level of respect, of authenticity, of transparency. This stuff takes time. Of course, we're here to help however we can.